What's up, everybody? I just wanted to make this video to give you an update on what's going on for the month of March. I did it for February, and I fulfilled 95% of the videos that I wanted to. I got to a point where I was kind of burnt out, and I took a week off and kind of got my head straight and back to normal. But now, I can't guarantee I'm going to be doing 3 videos a week. I'm going to try, but I'm going to be doing 2 for sure. I'm going to try to do 3, but 2 for sure. I'm planning on getting to the point where I'm going to be making 2 videos a week, and then eventually 1 video a week in the future, because I know eventually I'll be having a regular day job and not be able to make content as consistently. But I think if everything goes right, I'll be able to do 1 video a week. We're talking later in the year when I get my life a little bit more straightened out after being vaccinated, all that stuff. So just giving you guys an update on that. But for the foreseeable future, meaning like the next 2-3 months, I'm thinking like 2 to 3 a week. And no promises, but that's the goal, that's the plan. But to be a little bit more specific, let's talk about some of the things I have planned, and one of those things I'm speaking into right now. AT2035, a person, I can't remember who, somebody in the comments, was recommending the AT2035, and I've been hunting this thing down for a while on eBay, trying to get a good price on one. I could have paid full price, but I was waiting to see if I could get a good deal, because I didn't need this microphone. I just wanted to get it so I can compare it to the AT2020, the AT4040, and that is what I'm going to do. This microphone is going to be going up against the AT2020, the AT4040, and at the end of the month, there'll be a full showdown, as you saw with my full showdown between the Rode PodMic AT2020 and the PreSonus PD70. I'm doing the same thing with this microphone, but there is more. A friend of mine recently picked up a Deity S Mic 2, and before I gave it to him, I did a couple of videos. One of those videos is the Deity S Mic 2 video. I have it going up against the Sennheiser MKH416, going in the booth, going outside, untreated room, all stuff that you're going to encounter with this microphone, and compare it to an industry standard like the Sennheiser MKH416. I also did a showdown between all 3, meaning Deity S Mic 2, Sennheiser MKH416, and the Octava MK012. The thing that I covered and I added in, which somebody in the comments asked, was the off-axis rejection for these microphones. And I did some tests with that. I did off-axis stuff, boot stuff. So if you're into voiceover work, this is a good video for you to, or these are all good videos for you to check out to see if it's a microphone, or these are microphones that you may consider using in your content of the voiceover type. So other than the microphone reviews, I have a couple other things, 1 or 2 Zoom F6 videos coming out. I have a couple of ideas, a couple of suggestions from you guys, which I really appreciate, and a couple of tutorials, things here and there to sprinkle in. I'm really trying to get like that 2 to 3 videos out a week, so making a video that's shorter and kind of like more bite-sized piece so I could get it edited and put out to you guys a little faster, so I could get those 3 videos out. And they're not going to be like nothing videos, they're going to be something substantial to give you guys something, but they're videos that are easier to edit and not so involved with the graphics and the diagrams and all that stuff. It's just, there's a lot to do. Those diagrams with the specs and everything, they take a lot more time than I really wish they would, but hey, if I want it to look right, I got to take the time and really give it some love. And I also hope that you guys appreciate that, because I do put a lot of time and effort into this, trying my best to make this content high quality and informative, to give you guys what you hopefully want as viewers, subscribers, and all that stuff. Speaking of subscribers, we're getting close to 400 subscribers. Very, very cool. 350 just passed not too long ago. And we're growing community. Everyone's been kind, cordial, constructive, positive. That's what I really appreciate. the streams have been doing pretty well. I'm gonna stop doing my Twitch stream, and I'm gonna be playing my games on YouTube. So every Wednesday and Saturday still, but they all will be on YouTube. So I have a new camera, gonna set up a B camera right here, and this is gonna be a wide shot, and I'll get a little I'm thinking of doing a vertical shot, just like Harris Heller. If you watch the Alpha Gaming channel, on his stream he does a vertical for his B camera for the other scene that he does. So I'm considering doing that with my new camera that I'm getting. Another sweet deal I got on eBay. So it's a lot of things I've been hunting down, and I finally got good prices on. So I'm very excited on that. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Life has been pretty good. Been going through some stuff and getting in my own head, really. That's been a big thing. That's why I needed to take a break and get my head straight. I really needed that time because I was burnt out. I wasn't feeling right, and just being home and not being able to go to work is getting to me. So it's tough. So I'm hoping that when the time comes, get vaccinated, finish up my certifications that I need, and go get a job. That doesn't, like I said, that doesn't mean that I'm not going to make videos. It's just going to be less videos. So just keeping you guys in the loop and letting you guys know what's going on. And just like last time, I have a teaser for you. I'm going to give a little B-roll shots and things that are going to be happening, and some things that I've filmed already for this month. So I hope you all enjoy that, and I hope you guys look forward to the videos that are coming out. And this is the last you're going to hear from me from this video, so be safe, be kind, and I'll see you in the next one.